So this is what I'm starting out with. I've got 3 of these little bubble things that I got online. They used to have the betta fish in them, but I've moved the bettas to an actual aquarium now. So I am going to do some DIYs with this. Okay, so here are some of the things that I'm going to be using in my bubbles. I'm going to get started on one of the smaller ones now, and I will take a picture as soon as I'm finished. Okay, and here is the first one completed. I'm really happy with it. It looks super cute. And I'm going to work on the other small one. Okay, here is the second one. Alright, so I put the white rocks in the bottom that I got from the Dollar Tree. And these were the bubbles that I used to have the betta fish in, but now we put them in their own aquarium. So I just broke off the bottom parts to these little, I don't know, what are the succulents or whatever that you get from the Dollar Tree. I just pulled the bottom off of them, and I'm just sticking them in. The aloe and these I'm going to put toward the top, and I'm going to put a few of these at the bottom. So I'm going to start, I think, with this one, and I'm not going to hot glue anything down yet because I want to see what it's going to look like. So I'm going to start there, and I know I want to put some seashells at the bottom. So I'm just going to put some of these in there. And then I'll build as I get higher. Now I know I want a very big shell right here. And I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put that right at the top here. So I'm going to grab some hot glue and just put that all along the back, so that it catches somewhere. Alright, then I'm going to put that right here. Okay, that's pretty good. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to put this guy over here. It's going to be hard to do facing that way, so I'll probably just do it this way and then show you the finished. Alright, I know I want that right in the front, so I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on that. And glue it to this guy, who is also right there on the front. And then this guy for sure in the corner. So just gonna put a bunch of hot glue on there. And put it right there. Corner. I'm just gonna press it so that it definitely stays put. Go. Alright, so far, this is what we have. I'm gonna put this guy down over here. Actually, I think I will do this guy. Let's do that guy. Now, he doesn't want to stay together because I took the little thing out. So we're going to put some hot glue here. And we'll just hot glue the bottom on there like that. And then some more hot glue around the bottom there. And then we can get him to stay right there. put some smaller things at the bottom here. Have a bunch of little shells here. Definitely want a sand dollar down there. So let's put him right here in the front. And then just gonna grab some of these smaller shells and just kind of throw them around in the front here for a little bit of filler. Coral. Alright, that's what we've got so far. Now I know I definitely want a seahorse in here too. So I think I'm just gonna put him right there in the back so I know he won't move. And then I can build around him. Go. And the same thing with one of the starfish. I'm just gonna put a little glue on him in case I decide to change that. Now I want to make sure this is turned this way so that you can see it better. That's what we have so far. And of course the battery is getting ready to die, so I'm going to finish it up and then I will be right back to show you the finished product. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the third one and I decided to wrap it in nautical rope. So I am now going to do the same thing to the other two and then I will be back with them completely finished. I'm super happy with them so far. I think they look adorable. Alright, so I'm going to go wrap the other two in the nautical rope and then I will be right back. Okay, here are the finished products. I'm really happy with them. I think they turned out super cute. So here's what the three of them look like. And I am very happy. So for just a few dollars, some things from the dollar store and then some shells that I had laying around the house, I was able to turn these bubbles into the cutest little terrariums. So there we go, quick little DIY. Remember, there are no such thing as disabilities, only different abilities. Until next time, I love you and God bless.